Thank you so much. My name is Romi Wrights. Thank you so much for having us here today. I have to be honest, I just got my voice back today, so I'm so pleased to be able to be here today and to be able to sing. And yeah, so just a heads up, just in case you hear some cracks and things, but enjoy. Oh, before I start, can we just get Ezra drummers foldbacks? It's not on. Well, kudos to you for playing through that. Well done. Let's give a hand for Ezra. Okay, guess it's my time to shine. Who wants a joke while we wait for that? I was joking. No, we're not doing that. A joke? Oh, that was a joke. Okay, that was a joke. So it's been really amazing to be part of this series. I've lived on K Road for a very long time, but originally I am from Porirua in Wellington. Anyone here know of Porirua, P-Town? Period. All right. Without you. Yeah, enjoy. Now we're going to give the musicians some time to have the spotlight. I'm so blessed with this band. This song is Kenny's Move. Awesome. This next song is called Bring It Back.
It up, I stay. I've been praying for this feeling to go away. Yet here I am in your arms again. How'd you get so far away? Won't you bring it back to me? How'd you get so far away?
Okay, thank you so much. This song is called Capsize, and it was probably a more recent song. So if you haven't streamed it, please help yourself. It's everywhere. Oh, my lungs. Thank you so much. Oh, now it's a song called Leaving. I'll just leave it at that. You can decipher it in the lyrics, but yeah. Are you guys having a good night, by the way? Awesome, awesome. Cool. This next song called Shine Your Light was written for a friend of mine who passed away in December last year. Her name was Andy. So every time I sing this song, it is so special. So yeah, I love you, Andy. This last song, it feels, I don't know, this song again, I do wanna kind of sing this for a friend of mine, my music manager, who this morning also just passed, her father passed this morning, Daphne Fafita. So I just want to dedicate this to her because she really loves this song, and I want to dedicate it to her and her father, Sione Fafita. Thank you all so much for being here. It's been such a privilege and a pleasure to be here. And to Jean and the team and the Auckland City Council and the Auckland Library, thank you for having us. And I hope that people know that with Music Month, please, can we make it every month? Support your local artists, support your musicians, because we broke out here, so book us. But thank you so much. I'm Romi Wrights and the Commotions. Thank you.
Sunrise is through the blinds, all the colors dancing on your skin. Our fingers intertwine as one. I thank the gods you are mine. this love lasts forever. Forever, forever. You make me feel so special.
Thank you very much.